Hello everyone, my name is Garry. In this video, we're gonna learn about very popular, famous AI tool called Claude AI by Anthropic. So in this video series, we're gonna start with beginner guide. We'll start with very layman language, what is AI, uh, which is being used by Claude, and how Anthropic is, helping it to promote and why it is. So expand all over the places and helping everybody to learn these skills and replacing humans from being repetitive work. So let's understand. So who is it for? This is for somebody who is a AI seeker, who is IT professional, who is with technology, who wants to learn and grow with AI. And what you will be learning in this is AI fundamentals with Claude AI, then Claude features, what are the connectors, web integration, prompt look like, and the real world examples. Then series roadmap will discuss what are we going to understand and do in this whole series. Step by step, as we grow with the series, we'll be covering everything. So if you see, the Claude, it says it built by Anthropic. Anthropic is a big company having good experience, people from OpenAI. So many team members of Anthropic are from OpenAI. They left the company and they start utilizing and deploying AI for safety first. So they used three models, Haiku, Sonnet, Opus, based on the fastness we need. And how to access Claude AI is just go to their website, claude.ai, create account, real quick sign up, choose plans. They offers three plans right now, three plans pro and two pro plans. So with three plans, if you see, they give some limits to talk with, to give prompt on, to run your model. Every AI have limited data and running capacity. So on free tier, they give limited. In pro, you can expand it to any level based on your requirement. And if you see Cloud Connector, so Cloud Connector help you to connect with multiple processes like external tools, application data sources, even own website, APIs. So it can do anything, not just answer, even can understand your whole from designing your expectation. So if you see Cloud connectors, so they are like Google Drive, Gmail, Asana, Slack, Spreadsheet, custom APIs, Microsoft uh, connectors we are having. So let's just take an example of IT students who needs to understand Kubernetes networking for his exam tomorrow. So you need to give prompt in such a way that prompt will suffice some rules. So there are like roles, context, task, and format. Role specify how does that outcome will look like from somebody, and that how that model will be acting. Then context, it gives you background information. We have context, we have to give a background information, as in how this will be answering you. What are the requirement? It should suffice. Then there will be tasks which that model has to do. Maybe some approvals, maybe some lists that they have to check box, or some tasks which can be which are repetitive to the human and can be done by the machine. And then the format of the outcome, what we are expecting. It can be coded, it can be anything. So based on our prompt, it goes. So if you see the prompt here, explain Kubernetes networking in simple terms. So they said what they want, background information with an analogy. Like they give you task. I'm an IT student, so here roles play a big role here. Then give me three key concepts. He specify what he wants. So here Claude understand everything. They follow the prompt expectation. So we need to understand prompt engineering. In the second video, we'll understand how to give a better prompt with real theoretical and practical approach. So next video mainly on prompt here. So if you see Claude work with that prompt approach. If you see use case two, here's pro benefits. They save hours of writing for you, regenerate and refine your content when you take IT Pro benefit. Any format they can give you things FAQ doc, email, stuff. And AI draft than human review. They draft things, Then if you see what we have discussed so far, so basic Claude AI, like how Anthropic has give different view to AI altogether. If you see the interface, so crazy, you have everything right there in front of your eyes to read, understand in a very simple form. It has different types of subscription. Based on that, many things we can use. In third video, we'll discuss how to utilize free version of Claude AI. Till this time, we will recap everything. We understood Claude is Anthropic safe, powerful AI tool, which can be accessed freely, like ChatGPT, and the connector we discuss, which give power to the Claude. It can integrate with many connectors, 100 plus. Then it follows good prompt and expectation. It catches with a good AI engineer or somebody who give better prompt. Then how it helps a student, IT pros in solving their challenges. So that's what we have understood in this video. In next video, we will understand more deep understanding over prompt. So